Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter drawings in Xero. If you're a sole trader or business owner, tracking drawings is essential for keeping accurate records of money you've taken out of the business for personal use. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This brings you to the Xero homepage where you can access all your accounting features. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your Xero credentials. So go ahead and type in your email and password to log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with your business account. After signing in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation menu and click on Accounting. This section is where all your financial records and account management tools live, giving you control over how transactions are categorized and tracked within your business. Next, you'll want to click on Chart of Accounts. This opens up a comprehensive list of all the accounts your business uses to organize financial transactions. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system, so it's important to make sure everything is set up correctly here. Now scroll through the list and locate the account named Drawings. This account is specifically designed to track any money you withdraw from the business for personal expenses. If you don't see a drawings account listed, you'll need to create one to ensure these transactions are properly recorded and separated from business expenses. Having this account in place helps maintain clarity in your financial statements and makes tax time much simpler. Once you've found or identified where the drawings account should be, click on New if you're creating a new drawing entry, or click Add if you're working with an existing account and need to adjust the details. This step allows you to either set up the account from scratch or modify the account name and description to better suit your needs. It's crucial that this account is labeled clearly so you can easily identify it when entering transactions later on. After you've entered all the necessary information and made any adjustments to the account details, click Save. This action stores all your changes and ensures that the drawings account is now active and ready to use within your Xero system. Your drawings will now be tracked separately, giving you a clear picture of personal withdrawals versus business expenses. And that's it. You've successfully set up your drawings account in Xero, making it easier to manage your finances and keep personal and business transactions properly separated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.